today. We just got out here, came out here to Cockroach Bay right now. We're actually on the water. I'm actually going down right now. On my way to go find something right now. It's kind of windy today. Not too bad, but it's just really windy. As I said, right now we just pushed off. We got the kayak all set up. I got 2 rods with me today. Normally I don't carry 2 rods, but I want to see if I can get anything today. Besides the wind, it's a very beautiful day today. It's not too bad. Tide's gonna start pushing up here in a little bit, so hopefully we get really good stuff. I'm really excited to get back on the water today. Hopefully we can get something, but we're gonna see what we can try to get, guys. Okay guys, we're just working along these flats out here and trying to see if we find anything. I've just been working for just a little bit, but I haven't really found anything. Water's a little bit low because tide's still coming up today. But we're trying to see if we can find anything. Get this thing pushed around here. Should be kind of good. Do that. Put a little bit of reverse gear in. So I haven't really seen too much move around. I've seen a couple needle nose gar, but nothing really spectacular besides that. Right now I'm working a Usuri 3DS, the thing that I used last time to get that redfish. I think the water is just getting a little too shallow to where I can use it back here right now. But I've been trying to see if I can find anything though, guys. I haven't found anything yet, but I'll be just working around here for a little bit. Maybe take a trip around that little cove there, maybe go back a little bit, not too sure yet. But it is pretty out here today, though. I'm surprised at how clear the water is after all the wind that we have. I thought the water would be a little bit more murkier than what it is, but it's not bad actually. But I'm gonna keep looking for some fish, guys. There we go. He came back for it 2 times. There we go. There we go. We got a good snook, guys. There we go. He jumped off the lure and then he came back for it 2 times. I watched him do it in shallow water here. Seen them pushing right there and I was like, man, what are those things? The snook. He's not a big one, but he's pretty good size though. There's actually a brand new fishing reel I got too on here. Yeah, come here, come on. Feisty little guy. Under the kayak. There he is. I snagged him. Came up for it twice. Come here and open your mouth. Yeah, snagged him, but he came up for it twice. Watched him come for it. Look at that, guys. Nice, decent little snook. Not too bad. Really skinny guy. Not bad, though. How big do you think he is? I got a ruler on the bottom here. Kind of curious to see how big he is. Let's see here. He's like 16 and a half or so. My ruler maxes out at about 15, guys. So he's a pretty good sized fish. Not a small snook, but not a big snook. Oh, I'm trying to get his mouth. There we go. Better view of him. He's not bad. Him and another one we're pushing up there on the flats. We're up there in the tree line. Wait until he's ready to go. I think he's almost ready. Almost ready, guy? He's ready. Here he goes. He's a good sized one too. As I said, I saw them pushing up there by the trees. He hit it really hard, and he let go of the bait, and the treble hook didn't stick in. I went back for him. He came back about 2 times, dropped it again, and he hit it again. He got stuck on the side of his mouth, but at least I got the 2 trebles stuck on him. I didn't hurt him or anything, so that's at least a good thing. Nice, decent little snook. But right now we're just working along this flats, pushing along. I see a bunch of sheephead rolling though, but I haven't seen anything else. I've just been adjusting the rudder here, keep me on a nice straight path. The wind's really freaking bad out here today. There's another sheephead. A lot of sheephead out here. It's better than having a bunch of mullet, I guess. Well, if I catch those sheephead, it'd be even better. But we're gonna keep pushing along here, make a couple more casts, and we'll push off and go somewhere else. Maybe find somewhere where the wind's not howling so bad. Nice little secluded cove, maybe. Not too sure yet. There's another sheephead. Place is just loaded up with them. But we're gonna see what we find though. Just the camera a little bit because I don't think you guys can see too well. I just can't go over how tannic the water is back here. Water is more tannic than what it was up there in the beginning of the park. Hey guys, we're just pushing through here. We made it all the way from the different side of the park back here. We were all the way back that way, and we came around. The waves are really bad. The wind wasn't. I don't really have to deal with the wind as much anymore when I'm paddling this kayak, but no, those waves are really bad. So I'm just using these little islands as to my advantage, so I can cut the wind out. Nice little calm back here. Ooh. So right now I'm just pushing. I think I might go to the opposite side of the park. I'm not too sure yet. I'm just trying to get out of the wind as much as I can so I don't have to deal with the waves. As I said, the wind doesn't really bother me anymore because I don't have to push against it as hard as when I was using those paddles. But yeah, right now we're just trucking along, seeing if we see anything. I haven't seen anything else yet though. Well, I pushed around for a little bit, guys, here. Right now I'm just in a little bit of like lagoonish kind of deal. A little bit of like a little tiny inlet. I went over here a couple minutes ago, like right in here, and saw this really big fish, but I just couldn't get anything to hook up on it. The other reason why is because the wind's pushing so hard, I couldn't get my kayak to sit there, and it kept pushing the kayak too fast because the wind's howling right now. Right now I'm just trying to see if I can find anything. I'm just paddling around. It's been a very slow day today. I've seen a lot of big fish today. Well, a couple big fish, not too many. But the only one issue is just I can't get my lure to sit where I want it to, or either by the time I get the kayak situated, even when I'm doing the pedal drive, it's just hard. The wind is ripping today. But right now I'm just pushing along, seeing if I can see anything. I have a couple ideas where to go next maybe, but this wind is just howling so bad today. It's making it a really slow day. It's really sunny today, but the water is really cold still. But yeah, right now I just been going around, just enjoying the sights today at least. It's not too bad, but it's just really windy. I'm sorry if I have to talk loud or if you can't hear me at times. It's the wind. But I'm gonna get back to it here, guys, and see if I can get anything. Hopefully we can get some more things. Hopefully it's not windy tomorrow because I want to go back out tomorrow for Easter Sunday. But we'll see what tomorrow's like. Because my buddy is gonna go out with me, so we'll get a pretty good video going on for tomorrow too. Let me get back to it here, guys. Okay, guys, I think I see something running up here. I don't know if it's a mold or not. Saw it. See if I can find it. Yeah, It wasn't too big. Probably about the size of that snook that I caught earlier. Not a super big fish, but I'll take anything right now. Stomp it right there at the mangroves. That was a good cast. Got back here where there's a less wind now. Just hold the boat here. See if we can get anything. Okay guys, I found this little tunnel back here, trying to see where it goes. I don't know where it goes to, but I'm just taking it easy. I have the rods laid down really tight back up in here. Almost looks like it goes out to the opening maybe. Not too sure. There we go. I'm not running the ground on my motor yet, which is surprising. Or my rudder. This little backwater expedition. I don't know if I'll be able to go up in here. That's pretty tight. Okay guys, well, we got back here to the truck. I got my kayak all ready to be loaded and whatnot. I got something new for it that I got last week and I was pretty happy with it. This is a kayak cart I got for it. I got it from West Marine for it, and it was $109 originally, but right now I guess they have like some type of sale worldwide for 25% off, so it made it only 80 bucks, which for a kayak cart you can't complain about that. But we tried really hard today guys. We weren't really out for a long time today. Really short little trip. We only got that little snook there. Tried really hard for other things, but I seen a bunch of bigger fish. I just couldn't get the kayak to stay in one position because it kept either pushing me to the side by the time I'd go cast the lure out. And even if I was standing in the truck, or in the kayak, I mean, sitting in the kayak with the pedal drive on, with me doing the pedal drive and all, it still was moving. So it was really windy today. Really windy. Right now, we're gonna load my kayak in the truck here, get everything loaded, go off, and maybe go find something to eat because I'm kind of hungry. But can't really complain about today. We got that little snook there. We just got him on now. Got him on this setup today. That little 3DS Uzuri and Tennessee shad color. I actually got this brand new this last week. This is a Daiwa Back Bay Saltus 3000 or Saltus Back Bay. I could tell you, this is a very nice reel. It's really nice already. It's even smoother than my Shimano FK, and that's really hard to say because I've never had anything smoother than my Shimano FK. But I want to do like a full review about that. But other than that, that whole setup right there, the Back Bay with the St. Croix rod, perfect combo. I handled that nice small snook today. I'm looking for the future for that rod and reel. It's gonna be a good combo. Right now I have my FK that used to be on my Stratic. My FK that used to be on my St. Croix. Sorry guys, it used to be on this rod, but now I have it paired up with my Star Rod Plasma Series 8 to 17 pound. This is a good rod. I really like it. I just like that St. Croix so much better. But yeah guys, as I said, we're gonna go ahead and load the kayak in the truck, take it back home. We got another fishing day tomorrow planned with my buddy and me, so we're gonna have another day. Tomorrow's gonna be even earlier, so I wanted to stay out a little bit longer today. If it wasn't so windy guys, I would have stayed out. It's just way too windy right now. But until next time guys, I'll see you in the water. Peace.